Good afternoon, students. This is Renu Joshi, your computer teacher. Now I'm going through with our another topic, that is a type of network. So there are three kinds of network: LAN, MAN, WAN. We are talking about the LAN. Now, what is the LAN? LAN is local area network, which refers to a network that connects computers spread over a limited geographical area, such as a school, a building, adjacent building, etc. In LAN 2 are more computers and peripheral devices are connected within a small area. In this network, computers terminals are physically connected with wires. So it is also the disadvantages of this network, because all the computer terminals are physically connected with wires. So because of this, we have to it will get the less number of computers connected with this network. So the network size of LAN would be the small, the cost would be the low, because it is only for the small area, and the number of computers would be also the small, because it is having the limited geographical areas. That is why it is also having the less number of computers over there, but the speed would be the fastest over the or other networks. So I'm not talking about the another one, that is the metropolitan area network. What is that? Metropolitan area network covers a city or a town. The best known example of MAN is the cable television network available in the many cities. Metropolitan area network is wider than that of a local area networks, and the network size would be the large from the LAN, and the cost would be the some high, because it is covering some more area than the LAN, but the number of the computers would be the more larger, which was established with the LAN, and the speed would be slow than the LAN. So this is also the difference between the LAN and WAN. And now I'm going to talk about the WAN, the wide area network. What is that? This kind of network connects two or more computers located at far away places. They are linked by communication facility like telecommunication or satellite signals. The most common example of WAN type network is telecom system. The usage of WAN is limited to a very large organization and government agencies. The main characteristics of WAN is that it requires a public telecommunication media to transfer data. The best example of WAN are internet and intranet. In a large multinational company, ATM facility is the result of WAN, and multinational bank customer service is also the example of the WAN. But now if I comparing this network with another two, so the network size would be the largest, then the LAN and MAN, and the cost would be the more high, even the highest from these networks, but the number of computers would be the largest, because it is having the wide range of area, but the speed would be slow than the LAN and WAN. So these are I have already given the sufficient knowledge about the LAN, MAN, WAN, and after that we will talk about the difference between the LAN and WAN.